We're moving around the universities, ladies and gentlemen, from the University of Sydney, Engineering Nanoscale Architectures. Please welcome to the stage, Peter Liddicoat!
Alright, let's be honest, kids are just like little drunk people. I was at a family get-together recently, and there was one of these little guys, and he came up to me and he asked, alright, what is it that you actually do? I said, alright, I'm a materials engineer. I look at metals, I try and understand them, and I try and make them stronger. His reaction was, yeah, but what do you actually do? Alright, I tried. I'll tell you what I do. I use atom probe tomography to pull metals apart, atom by atom, and then put them back together inside the computer. His reaction was, cool! Can you take me apart, atom by atom, and put me back together inside the computer? And I'm like, yes, of course I could, but it's beyond the scope of my present work. So he said, but how do you, when taking things apart, how does that make them stronger? He said, well, it doesn't, but it all began with metallurgists. They're like the apes, the materials engineers of old time. And he goes, what, they're monkeys? They're like, no, they're not monkeys, they're more like witches, really. And he's like, Harry Potter? And I'm like, yes, Harry Potter. They dance around big pots of liquid metal, half naked, and then they heat it up, they cool it down, and then they push it out, and magically it's stronger, for reasons I don't understand. So he goes, are you a witch? And I go, no, damn it, I'm an engineer. Logic, science, and reason are my tools. And he goes, well, what's the difference? I go, okay, this is my last try. Alright. So when you look at an ally up close, it's like pea and ham soup. There's pea, spherical shaped particles here, and ham, base shaped particles there. But it's a mess. When you use atom probe, you can see clusters before they become pea and ham. And by controlling that process, you can create a controlled microstructure. Tomorrow morning at 8:50 AM, I'll show you aluminium alloy with record mechanical properties, and inside is the nanoscale architecture. We need to do this as Australians because we dig up all our resources, send them overseas, and buy them back at 10 times the cost. Thank you very much.